Hello YouTube. So I've got something powerful for you guys today. Now this viral rebrander tool is a complete standalone and it's designed to help you and your team to go viral with 5 powerful programs. It takes you just minutes to get set up. There's a little tutorial here and on this page, and you get a splash page for this as well. So you join the programs and then you put your ID. You join, you put your ID, simple as that. So for example, in Lead Sleep, you click here, you join under your sponsor, you join for free, pro member highly recommended obviously, and then you put your ID for Lead Sleep in there and you click update. If you want to skip a program, you just check that and your sponsor's ID will be there in place. But my advice is to go through these 5 programs, join each program, stick your ID in there, update. Join the next program under your sponsor, stick the ID in there, click update, and so on. And you've got 5 programs to go through, and your page will automatically set up page, which will be this page, or you can click this button here and it'll copy that to clipboard, and you can copy that URL for the splash page. So for example, if you copy that, it'll copy to clipboard. You can open it up into a new window, and there is your page. This is your splash page already branded to you. So you don't need to sign up in any way. You don't need to register. You just fill in the blanks, click done, and then you've got a splash page that you can share out on traffic exchanges or share out as part of your funnel, or just send it out to your team as value, because that's what it's all about. It's a rebrandable page you can set up instantly with 5 key programs. Now, a little bit about these programs. So you've got traffic programs, you've got income opportunities, and you've got marketing systems, some of which will pay you 100% commissions, some of which will actually pay you down multiple levels. And you've got some free deals here. And very importantly, you've got a lot of powerful traffic tools as well. So really getting your team set up in these 5 simple programs with a simple system like this, they're going to love you for it. So send it out as part of your value. And guys, I mean, the URL is going to be long. So my advice is set yourself up with a tracking link inside Lead Sleep, or you can use a free URL shortener such as bit.ly. But my advice is to set yourself up with a tracking link like I have. You just come in here, go into Lead Sleep. When you're in Lead Sleep for free, which is one of the programs in the system, you can join Lead Sleep under your sponsor. And when you're in here, you click on tracking links, link tracker. And then you can add yourself, enter the URL, the full URL from the page down here. You just copy the full URL, copy it to clipboard, and then you put it in here, click preview, and it'll just work, and you can do this various settings, very easy. And then you've got your little link there that you can share out like this, just a short link, and there's your splash page. And then you can just share that out, and then when they come here, they can click this button and they will end up joining you into those 5 programs. It's as simple as that. And then they can go and get the same system rebranded to them. They don't need to register for any marketing tool. This marketing tool that we're giving out here is just free, and you don't need to register. You just use it, set it up, and send it out to your team. This is how we go viral, guys. So if you're joining me in any of these programs, we'll really appreciate it, but use it and get it out there. Just a little bit of value for today, guys. I'm always giving out value on my YouTube channel. So I've just hit 10,000 subscribers. So call this a little gift for my subscribers. Really appreciate you guys. Hope you like it, and happy to share. So if you get stuck, just make sure that you watch this video at the top of the page there. But it's really, really self-explanatory, and you'll be up and running in no time at all. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next training. But make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Give me a like. It really helps the channel. Really appreciate it, guys. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.